One, two, three. Dun, dun. The biggest rap. Okay. I guess this.
So guys, this is actually inspired by 5 Minutes Craft, and it's from the travel tips. So we are gonna try and see. Okay.
So guys, as you can see, here's a bunch of mess from the last video. We actually packed the whole thing to the Australia trip. So I recently just saw a video from 5 Minutes Craft and I got inspired so I can save space. There's a limited space, so we are gonna try and learn their technique. So first, let's start with jeans. Wait, we gotta clear this out first. We need some space here. Get the hell out of my way. Okay. Now, for the jeans, let's try. I'm not too sure how to really do it, but I'm gonna try. Alright, I'm gonna try. So as for this, okay, I think that should be right. I will put some music.
So let's try to wrap it up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun. The biggest wrap. Okay. I guess this fits. Look. Alright, let's fit in right here, alright? Wait. What is this? I don't know. Okay. We need to do it nicely. Okay. This should be good. The biggest wrap. Let's put it in. Alright. Okay. Wait. Let me take this out so it can fit. Actually fits. Alright. It's okay. Alright. It fits perfectly. And I still can put some stuff. So here we got some socks too. And I also learned this from somewhere. This is my underwear. I just gonna show you for educational purpose. So we like that. We take at the back one. We roll it up. Wait, let's do it nicely. We roll. Rolly. Then until towards the end, we go to the back. Then we fold it like that. And this one we fold it back like that. Fold it backwards. And yeah, here as you can see the middle, then you just pull it up, pull and wrap it around. Then it will be easy and handy. Look, just like that, easy. Now let's do this for the rest of the thing too, for the underwear. So we will put some music also, alright, so it won't get boring. Second one finished. Right, the socks is great. We already did this. And I also have a video on how to fold a pair of socks. So you should go and check it out. Last one guys, last one. Yeah, something's wrong. There we go. That's it. Nice. Wait, and look. A complete set. No, beautiful. So beautiful, right? Alright, look guys, so here I keep a towel. So let's take it out. We should
this is my own original idea. So we take this out, we unfold it. Okay, alright, unfold it, and you know what? This is not inspired by anyone, so this is cool. So now we can pack this up all in this. Look, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Right. Interesting. Then we have the 3 socks. I think we need more socks, alright? Let's get some more. Alright. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. Alright. And add this. And this should be it, right? Yeah? Should be. And now we do this. Pull it up. And just like this. Like that. Yeah. Okay. And we pack it inside here. Then it should fit. Yeah, it fit everything. And we just need to remember where the underwear is, because it's kind of secret. Okay, that fits. Alright, so okay.
You guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe if you like my video and press the bell notifications so you can always be the first whenever I post a video.